This is the new Huawei Y6P hands-on and quick review. Let's get it on! But before that guys, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications and for more tech reviews.
Smoking on booth and it's my weed.
If we are talking about the design, Huawei always doing great job to all their smartphone. I'm so excited with this phone because for the price of $135, I can really say that this phone is awesome. Great design and color gradients. This phone is the new upgrade of Huawei Y6 series with the higher specifications. It has plastic frame and polycarbonate plastic body that looks like glass and a premium smartphone. With 6.3 IPS LCD HD Plus resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, 88.4 screen-to-body ratio and 278 ppi density. It supports dual SIM card with dedicated SD card slot for expandable storage, and it has three beautiful color gradients that you can choose from, which is the emerald green, midnight black, and phantom blue. At the right side, here are the power button and the volume control with the fingerprint scanner at the back side, and at the bottom the speaker grills, microphone, micro USB, and headphone jack. At the right side is the SIM card slot and additional microphone at the top. If we talk about the camera, this phone has triple lenses, which is 13 megapixel, f1.8 aperture is the main lens and support face detection autofocus, 5 megapixel ultra wide lens with f2.2 aperture that can shoot 120 degrees angle, and 2 megapixel depth sensor for dedicated portrait photos. And in the front camera, it has screwed up 8 megapixel f2.0 aperture with HDR support and can record full HD video, and here are the sample photos. In terms of specification, this phone used MediaTek processor Helio P22 12nm chipset with a clock speed of Octacore 2.0 GHz with the latest Android 10 out of the box and EMUI 10.1, and with their own Huawei app gallery. It has 3 GB of RAM, 64 GB internal storage, and a GPU of Power VR GE8320 that normally used by MediaTek company for the mid-range chipset. So now let's try to play this online game if it can handle it smoothly. And if you are looking for a secondary phone for normal usage with a great price tag, this phone is really perfect for you because it has massive 5000 mAh battery that you can use up to 2 days of normal usage with 10 watts fast charging speed capability, and it supports reverse charging technology up to 6 watts that can able to charge other devices while backing up your data, but this cable is not included inside the box, so you have to buy it separate in any Huawei store. So guys, that is my hands-on and quick review of the new Huawei Y6P. What is your opinion guys? Just comment down below. And if you want to see more tech reviews like this, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and we'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.